guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. My name is Mo Friday. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can solve this very simple question. I was given this question by a friend uh, to help solve for a student that require it. So, and I thought it's better if I can do a video of this so that not just for him alone, but for other students out there that might need to understand how to solve this simple problem. But before we start, let's just say a few words of prayer. Father, I will thank you for today. I decree and I declare that the eyes of our understanding is enlightened, is being open to comprehend and understand all that we do today. In Jesus' name we pray. So without any further ado, we quickly go into the topic itself. So this is just a solution, but this topic has two components in it. It has matrix and it has simultaneous equation. So we are going to be solving it step by step. I'm going to show you how you can solve this yourself, so that in any case you see this question anywhere in the world, you should be able to solve it. Alright, so let's just go straight to it. So okay, in solving this question, we multiply in this direction, right? So it's a topic I'm going to also take determinant, matrix, and matrix, so that you understand, and I'm also going to treat simultaneous equation as a topic on its own. So we are going to be using. So first of all, we need to express this in simultaneous equation form. So we are going to do this. It's going to be 2 to this. That is going to be 2x, and it's going to be this to this is going to be what, minus x. So minus 3 to this, that will be what, minus 3y, and this to this will be what, plus 4y. Right, equal to minus 1 and equals to what, 8. Right, so we have this our equation right now. This is a simultaneous equation. So how are we going to solve the right now? There are two methods or two ways to solving simultaneous equation. So we have the elimination method and we have the substitution method. So in this problem, I'm going to be taking you through the elimination method, because it's quite easy to use elimination method, especially when you have a simple linear equation as this. And even the algebra in fraction, then you can likely use a substitution method. So let's just go straight to solving this very simple and interesting question, guys. So please follow me as I walk through this problem. So and before we go further, please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button below and also tap on the bell button. Please like this, but like the video. It helps Google algorithm to really show this video to more students out there that might need this solution. Thank you. So let's just go straight to it. So first off, using elimination method, what do? So you consider which of the elements you want to which of the parts you want to eliminate, right? So I want to eliminate this very part here. Why? Because it's smaller and it's easy to manipulate. So how do you do that? So to eliminate this, so you multiply the coefficients of x. What are coefficients? Coefficients are the numbers before the alphabet x or any alphabet. So and how are you going to multiply it? So minus 1 here will come over here. You're going to multiply it through by minus 1, and 2 come over here, right? So if you have this map out like this, so you now multiply it through. The reason for this, so that you don't have to cram it, the reason for this is to make it even. Yeah, so once you make it equal, then you can easily eliminate this, right? So that's what I'm doing this, so that so you can do from either way, but I like here because the number is quite small. So I can also eliminate this too by saying 4, bringing the 4 here and bringing the 3 here. So but 2 is easier, so that's what I'm using 2. So just so you know why I'm doing that, because if you know why I'm taking each step, you will better understand, so that you can think through what's in my head and also apply such wisdom. So let's proceed. So minus 1 times 2, that gives you minus 2x, right? Minus 1 times minus 3, that gives you plus 3y, equal minus 1 times 1, as you know, minus times minus is plus, so that gives you 1. Alright, I'm not going to put plus 1 there anyway. So 2 times minus x, that will give us minus what, 2x. Okay, 2 times plus 4, that gives us plus what, 8y, right? So equal 2 times 8 is what, 16. So as you can see, we have successfully made this part equal. So now you now have to now think, okay, since you have minus 2x and minus 2x, we want to eliminate this part. So you now think within yourself, if I subtract the, so let's call this equation 1, let's call this equation 2, right? So if you now have to say, if I subtract equation 1 from 2, will it give me, will it be totally eliminated? Or if I subtract equation 2 from 1, will it eliminate this? So I want to show you what I mean by that. So let's say I say minus that, I want to subtract 1 from 2, right? So I want to see this minus 2x minus, minus 2s, right? Please follow me. So this gives minus 2x plus 2x. So of course minus 2 plus 2 is what? 0. So that applies. So let's just test the other way. So let's say I want to subtract equation 1, equation 2 from 1. So that is 2, I mean minus 2x minus 2x, right? So this gives us minus 2x plus 2. It will actually work, okay, because why I did that, let me explain why I did, because I know already that I could have cancelled that from here, because there are times where you will be given an equation that are like this. Yes, you give it 2x plus 3y and all. So you can't just say, oh, they are the same, or you can't start doing this process anymore, because from here you can eliminate if you know what it is. So if you apply that, you say minus 2x minus 2x, it will not work because it will minus 4. So therefore in this case we are actually going to add the two equations. It will be minus 2 plus 4 that will eliminate here. So that's why I needed to clarify that, so you understand why you need to know when to subtract the equation and when to add. Please, you may not get this anyway, please take note of what I just said, but you can always go back to replay this video and understand what I just did right there. It's very important. Okay, so let's proceed. So with that in mind, so we know this is already gone, right? So and what do we do? So now secondly, because now you can decide to say you can minus equation 2 from 1 or 1 from 2, but because the number equation 2 has a bigger number, so equation 1, so I would rather we do equation 2 minus equation what, 1, right? So that will now give us 8. So let's put it here. That will now be 8y minus 3y. That will give us what? That will give us 5y, right, equals to 16 minus 1, right? That will give us what? 15. So divide through by 5, divide through by 5, right? So the rest is true. So this one, y equals to what? 15 divided by 5 is what? Is 3. So your y is 3, right? So because y is 3, so we will now go back to equation 1. So not equation 1, rather. Yes. So we'll now go back to the main equation that we have here. So I'm going to take this guy off here so you can understand. So we'll now go back. So because we already have y, and from the original equation, from the original expression, right? So let's pick this very first one here. So we have what? We have 2x minus 3y equals to 1, equals to minus 1 rather. So we can pick any of the equation, either this first one or this second one, right? So we already know what y is. So all we need to do right now is to substitute wherever we see y, we put in what? 3. So we are going to say 2x so that we can get x. The motive for this is to get x because we already have y, so we need to solve for x. So So we pick either of this equation, it will do the magic for us. Yes. So we have 2x minus what? 3 into what? Y is 3, right? Equals to minus 1. So we have what? 2x minus 3 times 3 is minus 9 equals to what? Minus 1. So you have you collect like terms. Okay, you take of course minus 9 and minus 1, they are like terms anyway. So 2x equals what? Minus 1 plus 9, right? So if you work this out properly, you should know that 2x equal to minus 1 plus 9. What do you think that would be? If you are sure, drop the answer in the comment below. Okay, so minus 1 plus 9, that would definitely be what? Plus 8, right? So that will give us 8. So 2x, so you divide both sides by 2, right, to eliminate 2 from x, so you can have x stand alone. So that is why we do that. So this cancels that, so we have x equals to what? 4. So you have been able to answer the question. So but you're going to say determine. Now you have been able to solve for x and y, right? But you are not done yet. So the question says determine x plus y if this is given. So we are now going to look for what? X plus y, right? What is x plus y? X is what? 4 plus y is 3. So your answer is what? 7. That is that. If you know it is clear, if you know you understand what I've just done, please kindly click on the subscribe button below if you are new to my YouTube channel, and also click on the bell button so you get notified whenever I upload subsequent video. If you have any topic that you want me to treat, please drop it in the comment section below. If you have any question you want me to solve, also drop it in the comment section below. I will definitely get in touch with you, and I might possibly solve it and also put it for others to also benefit from the question that you've asked. That the aim is to reduce lack of understanding of mathematics. Mathematics is so simple once you get it right, as I've done. I've given you step by step reason why I do certain steps, and so you can understand. If you can reward this video for proper understanding, ask me a question and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end. My name is Mo Friday. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Okay.